Pinterest history, how to search or view your Pinterest history. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how you can search or view the Pinterest history, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to search or view your Pinterest history, all you have to do is launch the Pinterest application here, and this is the kind of interface that you will see. Now from here, what you have to do is tap on the saved icon from the bottom right of the screen, then tap on the profile icon from the top left of the screen. Then from here you'll find an option that says Home Feed Tuner, and then just tap on the Home Feed Tuner. Then you will see the pin section, and these are basically all the pins that you have viewed. So these are your search history, these are your viewing history. Whichever pin that you viewed, they will basically show up over here, and this way you'll be able to view your Pinterest history. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in the next video.